Hello, everyone. Welcome to an exciting episode all about the Notary Mastermind Group Cruise. Scheduled for November 2nd, 2024, this is an incredible cruise you won't want to miss. We're setting sail from the vibrant city of New Orleans. Then we're exploring the beautiful ports of Cozumel, Costa, and Georgetown, Grand Cayman, before making our way back to the Port of New Orleans on November 9th, 2024. The brilliance of the seas will be our home away from home for this incredible journey. So, let's dive into the details of what you can expect during this unforgettable cruise experience. Our adventure begins on board the Brilliance of the Seas. This ship is a gem in the Royal Caribbean fleet, offering exceptional service, stunning amenities, and top-notch entertainment. You can relax by the pool, indulge in delicious cuisine, or sip on your favorite drinks at one of the bars on board the ship. There's something for everyone on board. Our first port of call is Cozumel, Mexico. Cozumel is an island located in the Caribbean Sea, just off the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Cozumel is a popular cruise destination in the Caribbean and offers a plethora of fun and exciting cruise excursions for travelers to enjoy. From snorkeling in the crystal clear waters of the Palancar Reef to exploring the ancient Mayan ruins, there's something for everyone. Adventurous souls can embark on an off-road ATV tour through lush jungles, while those seeking relaxation can simply bask in the sun at the pristine beach clubs. Food enthusiasts can savor authentic Mexican cuisine on a culinary tour, and shoppers can browse for unique souvenirs in the vibrant downtown shops. Our second port of call is Puerto Cozumel, Mexico. Cozumel is a popular cruise port located on the eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. This vibrant destination offers a mix of rich cultural experiences and thrilling outdoor adventures. Cruise passengers can explore the ancient Mayans, immersing themselves in the history of this remarkable civilization. For those seeking relaxation, the serene beaches are ideal for sunbathing and swimming in the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean. Water enthusiasts can embark on a snorkeling or scuba diving expedition to discover the colorful marine life of the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, the second largest coral reef system in the world. Shoppers will delight in the local markets, offering a range of Mexican crafts and souvenirs. With its blend of history, natural beauty, and leisure activities, Costa Maya provides an array of exciting cruise excursions for everyone. Our next port of call is Georgetown, Grand Cayman, which offers an array of unforgettable experiences for all travelers. One standout attraction is Hell's Post Office. Hell Grand Cayman is a quirky geological formation of jagged black limestone formations that resemble a scene from the underworld. Visitors can send postcards from this otherworldly location and explore the fascinating landscape. Beyond Hell's Post Office, Grand Cayman offers a rich selection of water-based activities such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and swimming with stingrays at the renowned Stingray City. Additionally, guests can explore the vibrant marine life at the Cayman Turtle Center, or they can simply relax at the iconic 7 Mile Beach, known for its pristine white sands and crystal clear waters. But wait, there's more. One of the highlights of the Notary Group Cruise is the opportunity to expand your knowledge and enhance your professional skills with our continuing education workshops during our 3 at-sea days. Imagine attending workshops led by industry experts while sailing through the Caribbean. These workshops will cover a wide range of notary-related topics. When you're not in a workshop or exploring one of the ports, the Notary Mastermind Cruise offers an exciting array of social activities on board. You'll have plenty of opportunities to connect with other notaries from around the country to make new friends. So unwind, socialize, and have a blast with fellow notaries as you create unforgettable memories. Booking your spot on the Notary Mastermind Cruise is easy. Call Dennis Tooley at 317-430-7455 to book your cabin today. Hurry, because spaces are limited, and this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Well, there you have it, folks. The Notary Mastermind Cruise, scheduled for November 2nd, 2024, promises an extraordinary journey filled with learning, adventure, and unforgettable experiences. So why wait? Book your spot today and get ready to set sail with us on this incredible voyage. Call Dennis Tooley at 317-430-7455 to book your cabin now. That number again, 317-430-7455. We'll see you on board.